What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, if you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for whenever I drop.
My old nigga say he love me, told him write it in a letter. Boss bitch only in the game. Keep saying trends, so they hopping on the wave. If I walk in the door, know I'm already paid. Ain't stunned no hoe, all you bird bitches lying. Shit coming easy, no pressure to me. Big boss bitch, I ain't doing shit free. Wire me the money if you check it for me. Got a bank on the M, cause they checking for me.
So what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's Nay here. Today I'm going to be doing a everyday makeup look, little chit chat. It's really simple, you guys. I'm not no MUA. I'm not no makeup artist. I'm not none of that. How I do mine is how I do mine. I do it this on my makeup routine. It's an everyday simple makeup look. No foundation is required or needed. First, I'm gonna get into these eyebrows. So I used Gorilla Snot. All right, moving right along. So I like to conceal and do my eyebrows first, but I did want to do a little chit chat with you guys. So I'm gonna jump right into it. Feminine. Yes, y'all. So I'm really trying to get more into my feminine soft girl era. That's kind of what I've been working on. I feel like I need to just like relax, like no pressure, just be at peace. So I've been meditating, clearing up my circle first and foremost, and getting snakes out the grass. And really just trying to dive into my soft girl era, you guys. Like, to me that means just being free, being at peace, and just having faith that better is on the way, basically. And I don't use too much concealer, you guys. And all of these products is like beauty supply. Like, I don't really do too much makeup for real, so I don't get the top-notch stuff, you know. But it will do the job. So, concealed first. Then I'm gonna go in with my eyebrow pencil, you guys. It's in the color brown, dark brown to be exact. And what I like to do is just kind of just fill in. I don't really like to do too much. Just fill it in. Like, I just want to get like more chill, more at peace, basically. I'm letting my guard down at this game we playing called life. Cause shit be getting real. Let me tell you. Y'all too goofy, like what? But yeah, y'all. That's kind of where I'm at, the space I'm at the moment. Trying to let my guard down and open up more. Then I go back with a little bit more concealer, y'all. It just give it that chef kiss look, okay? Tapping into my feminine, I can't say feminine, feminine energy. So what am I doing? I've been reading more nature, sunlight, vitamin D. And y'all got really bad fine lines, so I like to put it like on it. Like so, like yeah. Really kind of overdid the foundation because I don't really even be putting this much, but.
I'm going in with the brown, contouring. I'm gonna take the extra brown, y'all, and just kind of line my face with the brown.
spread right above it. Give it that red. Trust the process, babe. Okay? I like this highlighter stick, y'all. Oop. Yeah, I ain't know powder was gonna get everywhere. So I put the pattern. You guys, so that is a wrap, and this is how it's looking. So this is the final look, you guys. But this is my everyday makeup routine. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned when I post more videos. Love you guys. Bye.
My old nigga say he love me, told him write it in a letter. Boss bitch only in the game, we keep saying trans.